Ask an expert. Your questions answered by qualified professionals. Informative and insightful. The Ask an Expert series, presented by Penn Mutual. Here's today's question. How can I help my clients when they are stuck with the ACE process?
One of the advantages of having a digital platform is that you can see your client's view through a simple screen share. Many financial professionals use Zoom to help clients troubleshoot their questions. With Zoom, clients can easily share their screen, allowing you to see exactly what they're seeing. If you're unable to resolve their issue or have additional questions, you can reach out to the ACE Financial Professional Support Team. They're available Monday to Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Support is available via phone, email, or by scheduling a Zoom meeting with both you and your client. Whether it's a quick question or more in-depth assistance, the ACE team is here to help ensure your clients get the support they need. If you have any questions about ACE, contact our helpful and knowledgeable ACE Financial Professional Support Team at 1-866-223-7651 or email 1-866-ACE-PML1 at pennmutual.com.